Guys, if you have some stew peas and rice in one, because if you do, this is definitely it. Because why this tastes like stew peas and rice? So today I'm making some barefoot rice and peas, and I'm using smoked turkey neck and some pigtail. So what I'm going to do first is to scald the pigtail and the smoked turkey neck together. Scald this for about 20 minutes, so now I'm going to pour off the water. Alright, and then add it back to the stove. Add that back to the stove. And then pour back some fresh water on it. Again, boil for next 20 minutes. Now after another 20 minutes, I'm just gonna pour it off. Oh. Rinse it with the cold water. So rinse it off with the cold water. Rinse again. So now I'm going to take these and add it to a pot with peas. Guys, what I did was wash half pint of peas and add it to a pressure pot, and then add the meat that I scald to that same pot. So to that pot we're gonna add about a cup of coconut milk. And now I'm going to add some pimento seed and garlic to that. I'm also going in with ginger, also adding a few cloves. Now I'm gonna take this pot and drop it in.